Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue from where we left off in the previous session. Today we will be moving ahead with the next part of the topic, so let's get started.
So now let's do the question number 6. In this question, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then we have to show that angle A equal to angle B. This is the question. So let me draw these two triangles. So I have a triangle PAC and a triangle QRB. PAC, it is right angled at C, and I have QRB, which is right angled at R. Okay, now in the question, one thing is given. What is it? Cos A equal to cos B. If cos A equal to cos B, what I can write? Now I need to find the values for the cos A and cos B separately. What do you mean by cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. If here the cos A means that we have to take our theta as A. So therefore, this will be our opposite side and this will be our adjacent side and this will be the hypotenuse. Similarly, if I am taking B as my theta, in this triangle, this is the opposite side, this is our adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse, right? So now let me first write what is cos A. Cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse in the first triangle, which is equal to adjacent as AC divided by hypotenuse as AP. Clear? Now, similarly, I have to write cos B also. Cos B equal to how much? RB or BR divided by what? BQ. Clear? Now, I got two equations. This equation and this equation. They already gave here what? Cos A equal to cos B. Therefore, I can write what? I can write AC by AP equal to how much? BR divided by BQ. Right? So, I can write it like this. Now, I need to show that angle A equal to angle B. If I want to show that this angle A equal to angle B, what I have to do here, I have to prove these two triangles are similar triangle. In triangles chapter, we have learned what if we can prove the two similarity triangles are similar either by AA criteria or by AAA criteria or by SSS criteria, right? So here, nothing related to the angle is given. Only thing I will get from here is this side and this side, right? So I am getting the proportionality of the sides here. So if I am able to prove the third side also proportional, then I can prove that these two triangles are similar. Then once after proving that, I can write angle A equal to angle B. That is the concept for solving this question. So my aim is what? Now my aim is to prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay. So how can I do that one? In that case, I will have to rearrange this equation. Okay. So what I will do, I will take this one to denominator part and AP to the numerator. Because then I can rearrange it in such a way that I can show the proportionality. Okay, now check here. AC by BR equal to AB by BQ. In this way, I can rewrite this equation, right? So what happened here? If I'm writing AC by BR, AC belongs to which side? This one. And BR belongs to this triangle. Then comes the AP. AP belongs to this triangle. And BQ belongs to this triangle. So already after rewriting, I'm able to show that these two sides are proportional, right? Now my aim is to prove that. What is my aim? I have to show that PC by QR is also equal to this one. Okay, equal to this means then I can tell that these two triangles are similar. Now I need to find the value for PC by QR. That is my aim. So what I will do now, let this value equal to K. I will substitute it in such a way. Means let its proportionality be equal to K. Now I will apply the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what can I write it here? I can write PC. Because I need to find the value for, first I need to find the value for PC. Once after finding the value for PC, I need to find the value for QR. Then what I have to do, in the next step, I have to find PC by QR. Right? These are the steps which we have to follow now. So what is the value for PC? PC, I can, using the Pythagoras theorem, I can write the PC. Now look, if this is my triangle, P is this part, this side, and this is C and this is A. So what is PC? PC equal to P, by Pythagoras theorem, this thing I can write it like AP square equal to PC square plus AC square, right? So I need to find the value for PC square. So I will keep this one there. Therefore, PC square equal to AP square minus AC square, right? Then what is PC? PC equal to root of AP square minus AC square. Now I got the value for PC. Similarly, I will have to find the value for whom? I will have to find the value for QR now. For finding the value for the QR, I have to take the next triangle. Next triangle is QBR, right? So, what is QB square, or otherwise I can write it like the BQ, because in the question we have written in that order. Let it be the BQ square equal to, then what? QR square plus BR square, right? That is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is, here also we used Pythagoras theorem. Now, but we have to find whom? We have to find the QR. So, QR square equal to how much? I will take the BR to the opposite side. This QR will become what? QR square equal to QR square equal BQ square minus BR square. Therefore, QR equal to how much? QR equal to root of BQ square minus BR square. Now we got these two equations, right? Now, again, we have to, now let us give this equation as, this equation, let it be named as equation number 3. Okay, let me rewrite this equation here. What is my equation number 3? Equation number 3 is AC by BR equal to AP divided by BQ, which is equal to K. This is my equation number 3, right? Now, here I got PC as well as I got the QR. What is my next aim? I need to find PC by QR. So, let me find the PC by QR here. PC divided by QR. I got my PC as how much? Root of PC equal to, look here, PC equal to how much? Root of AP square minus AC square. I don't have any value for AP nor AC, nothing like that. So I will have to find the value here. How to find the value for AC and AP? AC, from this equation, okay, I can find the AC, right? AC by BR equal to K, right? Therefore, AC equal to how much? AC equal to K into BR, right? That value I will substitute here. And AP also I will get it from here, right? AP by BQ equal to K, which means AP equal to how much? AP equal to K into BQ. Clear? So these values I will have to substitute in this equation. Now similarly we have to substitute what is the QR divided by QR. Now what is QR given here? QR equal to root of BQ square minus BR square, right? Then now what we will do? We have to substitute this AP, AC, BQ, BR in our equation, right? We already found the values for AP and AC. What is AP here? AP equal to root of, let me write it here, AP equal to K into BQ. K into BQ the whole square minus, what is the AC here? K into BR the whole square, right? This much we got. Similarly, now we need to find the value of BQ as well as the BR. Okay, so from the same equation we can find that also, right? AC by BR equal to AP by BQ, which is equal to K. Now, look here. This is equation. BQ is there, BR is there. Now, look, our equation in the numerator, it also contains BQ and BR. So, that means what? There is no need to change the values which is in the denominator part. Okay, let me substitute that value directly over there. That is, my value is root of BQ square minus BR square, right? So what happened to my numerator part? It became equal to root of K square B square minus K square BR square, the whole divided by root of B square minus BR square, right? Now look, here in both the equations I am having this K square, right? Here also I am having K square, here also I am having K square. So what can I do? I can take the K square outside commonly. So when I will take the K square out, root of K square means its value is K. So when it will come out, it will become what? K root B square minus BR square divided by root of B square minus BR square, right? So now what I can do here, I can cancel these two things because they both are same. So what I will get my value equal to K. Here what is that value? PC divided by QR. It will also become equal to K. Clear? Now look our equation. Here we are having another equation, right? Which is that equation? Equation number 3. Equation number 3 says that AC by BR equal to AP by BQ, which is equal to K. Therefore, I can write here, right? What is it equation? AC by BR equal to AP divided by BQ. Its value is also equal to K. So what can I write it here? So I can write, if these values are equal to K, means that these all values are going to be equal, right? That means what? That is AC by BR equal to AP by BQ equal to PC divided by QR. Let me take those two triangles again. This is my first triangle and this is my second triangle. Okay. In the first triangle it is P, A, C, and here it is Q, B, R. Now look, what is AC by BR? AC by, this is BR. It is equal to AP by BQ. AP by BQ, which is equal to PC by QR. So now I am able to prove the proportionality of sides. All sides proportionality I am able to solve it here. So it means what? These two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle PCA is similar to triangle QRB by using which criteria? By SSS similarity criterion. Right? So now I am able to show these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar means what? It corresponding angles will become equal. Therefore, I can write angle A equal to angle B by what? Similar triangles are equiangular. We will have to give even that in our, that reason we have to give it here, okay? Because why? Because similar triangles are equiangular. Clear? This is how we will solve this equation. Hence, we will write hence or hence or. Okay. Now, thus we got the answer for the sixth one. Okay. Now, let's do the question number 8. In the question number 8, it says that 3 cot A equal to 4. Check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. This one we have to check. So let me first write the given thing here. What is given? Given 3 cot A equal to 4, right? So 3 cot A equal to 4. Therefore, what? Cot A equal to what? 4 divided by 3. We know that what is cot theta? Cot theta equal to adjacent divided by opposite. So, cot A means if this is my A, let me draw the triangle, right angle at B. Here, let the triangle be triangle ABC. Okay, so cot A means what? Cot A is also equal to, it is given as 4 divided by 3. This means this 4 is the adjacent side and 3 belongs to the opposite side, right? If this is my theta, so this is my opposite and this is my adjacent side, right? So it means that adjacent is 4k and the opposite is, let it be 3k. Okay, k is what? It is just like when we will write the proportionality, the k is a number that which we are giving as a positive number to that one. Because it is exactly, it is not 4, not 3. It is something which is having a proportionality equal to 4 by 3. Right? When we are simplifying the original value, at the end we are getting its proportionality as 4 by 3. So whenever we will write if the exact values are not given, if in this way it is given, we will have to either give in like 4x, 3x, like that. We have to give a particular, here the k means what? K is a positive number. That's it. Okay, so now we got AB equal to how much? Therefore, AB equal to 4k. Then BC equal to how much? 3k. This much we got, right? Now in triangle ABC, if I'm using Pythagoras theorem, okay, how I can write this one? By using Pythagoras theorem, I can write this one as AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. I don't know what is my AC square. AB square is equal to how much? AB is 4k the whole square plus BC equal to 3k. So I will write 3k the whole square. Okay, so I can write here what 4k the whole square means. It is equal to 16k square plus 9k square, right? 9k square, which is equal to 25k square. I got AC square equal to 25k square. So what is AC? AC is the root of 25k square, which means it is 5k. So now I got the value for what? AC, which is equal to 5k. Now I need to find what is the equation that I need to solve here. I have to check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square minus sin square theta, right? Cos square A minus sin square A. So what all things I need to find here? Here I need to find tan A, then I need to find the cos A, then I need to find the sin A. So let me first find out those values. So tan A equal to how much? Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent, right? Then what is cos A? Cos A equal to, cos theta equal to how much? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Similarly, what is sin theta? Sin A equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? So here, if this is my triangle and this is my theta, means this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, this is my hypotenuse. This value is equal to how much? Here we wrote it like 4k, 3k, 5k, right? So this is 4k, this is 3k, and This value is 5k. Clear? So now I can substitute these values here. What is tan A? Tan A equal to opposite by adjacent. Here the opposite is 3k divided by adjacent. What is the adjacent here? 4k. So this k and k will get cancelled. I will get 3 by 4. Now, what is the adjacent by hypotenuse? Adjacent is 4k divided by 5k. So I will get 4 by 5. And what is the opposite by hypotenuse? It is 3k divided by 5k, which is equal to 3 by 5. Now I got the values for tan A, cos A, sin A. So let me substitute these all values where in my equation. Let this equation be equation 1. This is equation 2, 3 and let it be equation number 4. What I have to do? I have to substitute 2, 3 and 4 in equation, what? In equation 1. My equation is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. What is tan here? Tan A equal to 3 by 4. That is, I can write this one as 1 minus 3 by 4 then divided by 1 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to, what is cos square A means? That is equal to 4 by 5 the whole square minus 3 by 5 the whole square. This I have to check whether this value is correct. So let me first do this part. 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square. Here the whole square is also there, right? Tan square A. That is 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16 equal to 16 by 5 is a 25 minus 9 by 25. So here it is equal to 16 minus 9 divided by 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16, which is equal to what? What is 16 minus 9 by 25, right? In this way we can write. So 16 minus 9 is how much? It is equal to 7 by 16 divided by, what is 16 plus 9? It is 25 divided by 16, which is equal to, what is 16 minus 9? 16 minus 9 is again 7. 7 by 25. Okay. Now, what I can write it here, this is of the form what? A by B divided by C by D means what? Which is equal to A by B into D by C. That means the number which is coming in the denominator part, we have to take the reciprocal and multiply that number. That means here what can I write? 17 by 16 into 16 by 25, which is equal to 7 by 25. So this 16 and 16 I can get cancelled and I will get 7 by 25 equal to 7 by 25. Now look, therefore my LHS is equal to what? My left hand side is equal to my right hand side, which is a RHS. Hence we got that one right. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore we can tell that this equation is correct. That is 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Now let's do the question number 1 from exercise 8.2. And from the 1 we are now doing which question? Question number 4. Okay. Sin 30, question number 1, 2 and 3, they all are very easy questions. So I am solving the 4th one here. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 degree. This we will have to find. So what all things are required here? Sin 30, we should know sin 30. In the previous video, I have explained about how to memorize the sin 30, tan 45, these old values, how to memorize those shortcuts and everything. I have explained in that previous video. You can watch those videos for this reference. Okay. Sin 30 equal to how much? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now tan 45. What is tan 45? Tan 45 equal to 1, 1. Then next one is cosec 60. What is cosec 60? Cosec 60 means it is the reciprocal of sine 60. Okay, cosec 60 equal to how much? It is 2 by root 3. Okay, now sec 30. What is sec 30? Sec 30 means it is the reciprocal of cos 30. What is cos 30? Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, this value is 2 by root 3. Right? Sec 30 equal to 2 by root 3. Now, next value which we need is the cos 60 degree. What is cos 60? Cos 60 equal to how much? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now, then comes the cot 45 degree. Cot 45 means it is a reciprocal of tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. Therefore, cot 45 is also equal to 1. If you have any difficulty in this cosec 60 and all, memorize it in this way. Cosec 60 means what? It is a reciprocal of like 1 by sine 60 degree. Cosec starts with what? C. Then remember that its reciprocal is sine, which starts with S. What is sine 60? Is sine 30 equal to 1 by 2? As I told in the last class, therefore the sine 60 will be equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, what is 1 by sine 60, which is equal to 2 by root 3. In this way, we need to do the questions, okay? So, first memorize at least sine, cos and tan. Then from there, we can find the rest of the values. Now, let us substitute these all values into our question. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. There is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3, the whole divided by sec 30 equal to how much? 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Okay. From here actually we know our LCM is 2 root 3, right? So how to solve this one? 1 by 2 into, if I want to make my denominator 2 root 3, I need to multiply with the root 3 on the both sides. Here what I have to do, I will have to multiply with 2 root 3 on the both sides. Here what I have to do, I will have to do by 2 by root 3, right? I need to multiply with 2 on both sides. Then the whole divided by 2 by root 3. Here also my LCM is 2 root 3. So I need to multiply with 2 on both sides. The next one is 1 by 2. Here what I have to do, I will have to multiply with root 3 on both sides. So that I will get my denominator as 2 root 3. Next one is, here I am having 1 by 1. So I need to multiply with 2 root 3 on the both sides, right? So what I will get, here I am going to get root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2 is 4, the whole divided by 2 root 3, then divided, the entire divided by 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3, the whole divided by 2 root 3, right? So, what can I write it here? Which is equal to, what is root 3 plus 2 root 3? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 equal to 4 root 3. That is 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 means I need to add this 1 plus 2, which is equal to, here I will get 2 root 3, which is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 root 3. I will get here 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3, the whole divided by, here again what, root 3 plus 2 root 3 means it is 3 root 3, 4 plus 3 root 3 whole divided by 2 root 3, right? So what will happen here, this 2 root 3 and this 2 root 3 will get cancelled, and I'm going to get 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. So what can I do here? I can rearrange the numbers. That is 3 root 3 minus 4. In the same order, I am going to rearrange in my denominator also. That is 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to eliminate the root from the denominator. And that process we will call it as what? Rationalizing the denominator. Okay, how can I rationalize the denominator? In order to rationalize the denominator, I need to multiply with the same numbers with the opposite sign. If here I am getting the denominator, look at the denominator, it is of the form a plus b. So I have to multiply with a minus b, so that my denominator will have an equation. I can make it to a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? It is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, what I will do, I will multiply my denominator with 3 root 3 minus 4. We know that if you are multiplying in the fractional form, in denominator part, if you are multiplying with a particular number, the same number we have to multiply in the numerator also. So this one we have to multiply where? Multiply in the numerator part also. So we will get it in this formula. Okay, now we have to solve that one. Okay, that is, so our numerator became what? Now look, my numerator is equal to what? A minus b into a minus b, which I can write it like a minus b the whole square. So this is of the form 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole square divided by my denominator is of the form a square minus b square. Here a equal to what? Here a equal to 3 root 3, a equal to 3 root 3 and b equal to what? 4. So I can write my denominator as how much? 3 root 3 the whole square minus 4 square, right? So what is the equation? What is the expansion of a minus b the whole square? A minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to how much in the numerator? Our a equal to 3 root 3 and b equal to 4. So I can write my equation like a square means 3 root 3 the whole square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into my b is 4 plus 4 square the whole divided by, what is 3 root 3 into 3 root 3? It will become 3 3s are 9, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it became equal to 27. That is 27 minus 4 into 4 is 16, right? So now I need to solve 3 root 3 the whole square, which is equal to 27 minus, this is 4 2s are 8, right? So what I will get here? 8 into, what can I write here? 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24 root 3 plus 4 square is 16, right? The whole divided by 27 minus 16. What is 27 minus 16? It is equal to 11. Now what we should do? We should take these two numbers. What is 27 plus 16? 27 plus 16 equal to 43. 43 minus 24 root 3 the whole divided by 11. So what is our answer for this question? Its answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Okay. So now let's do the question number 3. Rest all questions are very easy. We just need to memorize the values of the sine 30, sine 60, like that. All those values we need to memorize and just substitute those values and do the calculation. So that is what we have to do in the remaining all question. Now this is the third question. If tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore what we have to solve? We have to find a and b. Okay, so what all things are given here? They have given tan a plus b, it is equal to root 3, right? Then you know what are the values of tan theta? Tan tan 0 equal to how much? If I'm finding the values like this, tan 30, tan 60, then tan 45 degree. If the tan 0 is equal to how much? 0. tan 30 degree equal to how much? 1 by root 3. Then tan 60 equal to how much? Root 3. What is tan 45? Tan 45 equal to 1. Okay. So these are the values of tan theta. They are telling when I am taking a plus b, tan a plus b equal to root 3. Which is the value corresponding to the root 3? Tan 60. That means what? Which is equal to 60 degree, right? It is equal to tan 60 degree, correct? So here what can I write? When I'm adding a plus b, the angle that I'm getting here will be equal to what? If I'm adding a plus b, the angle that I'm getting is 60 degree, right? So for that one, I will give the equation number 1. Now again they have given the next one. Tan a minus b equal to how much? 1 by root 3. Now check which is the value corresponding to the 1 by root 3. It is tan 30 degree. That means here which is equal to tan 30 degree. It means what? A minus b is equal to 30 degree, right? Therefore, I can write a minus b equal to 30 degree. And for this one, I am giving equation number 2. That is, my equation 1 is a plus b equal to 60 degree. That is equation number 1. A minus b equal to 30 degree. That is equation number 2. So what can I do here? That is, if I am adding these two numbers, 1 plus 2, what I will get? 2a, this b and b will get cancelled. I will get 2a equal to 90 degree. Therefore, a equal to how much? 90 divided by 2, which is equal to 45 degrees. So I got my a as 45. Now what I can do? I can substitute this value a in any of this equation. So I am taking equation 1, substitute a equal to 45 degree in equation 1. What is my equation 1? Equation 1 is a plus b equal to 60 degree. A equal to 45. 45 plus b equal to how much? 60 degree. Therefore, b equal to how much? B equal to 60 minus 45 degree, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 15 degree. Now we got the values of a and b, right? Therefore, a equal to 45 degree and b equal to 15 degree. Right? This is what we have to find it out. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and stay connected.